Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, West Indies top order batter Alec Athanas is confident he can carry over his form from the first test against South Africa into the second match, which starts later this week. The left-hander scored a match-defying 92 in the Windies' second innings after a drawn encounter in Trinidad on Sunday, a second 50-plus score in his last 6 test innings. He was defiant against the left-arm spin of player of the match, Keshav Maharaj, who finished with 4 for 88 for a match haul of 8 for 164. With conditions likely to favour spinners in the second test at the Providence Stadium in Guyana, Athanas is remaining confident going into the contest.
It was really good. They have supported me right throughout my career up till this day, and they haven't really seen me play. It was a really good start, in this test match, and having a test match at home. We normally sit and watch from the crowd, and for them to have me play, it must have been special for them.
And head coach of Jamaica's under-17 cricket team, Robert Turner, says the players will have to showcase more than just their skill sets to capture the regional title in Trinidad, which goes off on Tuesday. The team is now in Trinidad and Tobago for the final youth competition of the year, but there are limited expectations from the leadership group over a title challenge. The Jamaicans will have 6 returning members to the team from the previous edition, including West Indies under-19 representative Deshaun James, who just took part in the regional under-19 tournament in St. Vincent.
Talent is always there, but playing together was always a problem. But I think these youngsters, they gel well. They have been playing over the years from under 15 coming up, and their camaraderie is very good. And I think we will play to the best of our ability and come up with the goods this time around.
It's not the strongest of team, but I believe if everyone can put their best foot forward, we can achieve greatness.
Now the squad will be captained by St. Elizabeth Technical's Tyreek Bryan. And Links United of St. Anne secured the final spot in the last 4 of the SDC National Community T20 cricket competition on Sunday after beating Gale of St. Mary by 7 wickets at Chedwin Park. Led by a top score of 51 from former Jamaica Scorpions player Alwyn Williams, Gale, batting first, posted 107 for 4 after the game was reduced to 15 overs per side due to a rain delay. Anthony Walters supported with 25, while National Youth Representative Trevon Williams made 16. Damien Bryce and Tevin Gilzine both ended with 2 wickets. In their run chase, it took an unbroken 57-run 4th wicket partnership between Ronaldo Ingram, 30, and Marlon Johnson, 23, to get them across the line at 108 for 3. Bryce returned to score 24 as Gian Murdoch had 1 for 7. And finally, Harbourview and Cavalier will meet in the final of the Jamaica Football Federation Under-17 competition after semi-final wins on Sunday at the UWI Captain Horace Burrell Centre of Excellence. Powered by a brace from Deshaun Jacks, Cavalier eased into the final with a 3-0 win over Reno. Kirk King scored the other goal for Cavalier. In the earlier contest, Harbourview hammered Mount Pleasant 6-3. Frank Celestin and Samuel Taylor sent Mount Pleasant ahead twice in the contest, but a hat-trick from Joel Ajani French in minutes 14, 34 and 70th carried the Stars of the East to the win. Devonte Allen, Kemar Goldburn and Sharif Ricketts closed out the win for Harbourview. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Renardo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.